6, 2021 at 7 p.m. may laban po tayong magaganap. Dalawang laban po ang magaganap.
And there it is. It's
Kamusta mga idol? Here we go again, Mark Country TV. Please like and subscribe. Habang puspusan ang pag-iinsayo ni Billy Jack Sanchez ay patuloy din naman ang paghahamon ni Kiko Matos sa kung sino lang ang mapagtripan nito. At isang magandang malita mga idol dahil magbabalik na nga ang The Battle of YouTuber boxing match at sigurado akong magiging kabang-abang ito para sa mga solidong manonood. Samantala mga idol ay may nag-comment sa ating video na mapag-usapan natin at ma-review itong si Kiko Matos versus Billy Jack na kung bibigyan ng pagkakataon ay po pwede itong maglaban sa The Battle of YouTuber boxing match at ito ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon. Pero bago tayo magsimula ay shoutout muna tayo sa mga walang sawang manonood ng Mark Country TV. Shoutout kay Jeremy Olivia, Shadow Gaming, Elmer and Josephine, Charles Morales, at ang solidong nag-comment sa content na ito, Akotsuki Zetsu. Maraming salamat mga idol. Mabuhay kayo. Billy Jack versus Kiko Matos. Ano sa palagay nyo? Well, habang patuloy na nga na nag-iinit ang usaping The Battle of YouTuber at kung sino-sino lang ang lumalabas na lalaban dito sa battle na ito, papaano kung si Billy Jack Sanchez naman at si Kiko Matos ang magharap? Ang pagbabalik, the rematch battle ng dalawa. Kung babalikan natin mga idol ay naglaban nga itong si Kiko Matos at Billy Jack sa URCC at naipanalo nga ni Kiko Matos ang laban. Naging maganda ang laban ng dalawa. Sa panahon na yon ay 23 years old pa lang itong si Billy Jack at 27 naman itong si Kiko Matos. Kaya naman lamado noon si Kiko Matos dahil mas matanda itong si Kiko Matos kumpara kay Billy Jack. Nagtamo ito ng pagdurugo sa ilong at sumuko na lang sa taas ng ring dahil hindi na kinaya ni Billy Jack. Kaya naman pala naging isang matapang itong si Kiko Matos dahil hanggang ngayon siguro ay pinanhahawakan niya pa ang pagiging kampiyon nito sa laban nila ni Billy Jack. Kaya naman mga idol, isang tigasin itong si Kiko Matos. Pagdating sa social media ay tinuturing itong isang baras ng Pilipinas. Samantala, hindi naman nagkakalayo ang ugali nila Billy Jack Sanchez. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa URCC o ang pagiging MMA fighter para maging maangas. Kaya naman, isang magandang idea mga idol na muling maglaban itong dalawa at magharap muli sa taas ng ring. Pareho silang maangas, may experience pagdating sa ring at may malakas na paniniwala at paninindigan na kaya nila kung sino man ang bumangga. Kaya naman isang maganda ito kung mabibigyan pansin ng nasa taas. Ano sa palagay nyo? Isang magandang idea ba ito para sa kanilang dalawa? Mga idol, mabibigyan na nga ng pagkakataon na bumawi itong si Billy Jack Sanchez sa laban kay Kiko Matos. Dahil napansin ko mga idol kaya natalo si Billy Jack dahil naunahan ito ni Kiko Matos ng yakap at natumba nga ni Kiko Matos itong si Billy dahil nga mas matanda si Kiko Matos at mas mataas. Kaya naman subok na ang kanyang lakas. Kahit paanong gawin ni Billy Jack ay hindi na talaga ito makakagalaw ng maayos dahil nadaganan ito ni Kiko Matos. Pero kung walang yakapan na magaganap ay sa tingin ko mga idol ay posible pang maipanalo ni Billy Jack Sanchez ang laban. Sa una pa lang ay makikita natin napaka-agresibo talaga itong si Billy Jack. Samantala, kaya pala nung laban nila Kiko Matos versus Damsa ay panayakap ito dahil na-apply niya siguro ang pagiging URCC o pagiging MMA fighter. Paano kung hindi na URCC o MMA fight ang laban at lumipat naman sa boxing match? Lakas ng suntok ang basehan at estratehiya mo kung paano mo pababagsakin ang kalaban. Kalakip pa nito ang pagiging matibay na stamina at solidong katawan. Kaya naman magiging maganda ang laban na magaganap kung mabibigyan ng pagkakataon na magka-rematch itong dalawa sa The Battle of YouTuber. Kaya naman mga idol, supportahan natin itong dalawa at mag-ingay tayong lahat upang mapanood ito ni Makagago at mabigyan niya ng pagkakataon na maisalang sa unang batch ng boxing match sa The Battle of YouTuber. Mag-comment lang at panoorin ng clip na ito.
Billy Jack Sanchez versus Kiko Matos. Just when you thought it couldn't get any more obscure after Baron Geisler, here we have a call-out guy. Calls out Kiko Matos. Apparently he learns jiu-jitsu from YouTube, from what I hear. Alan, this is our first battle of the evening. Good evening, everyone. Del Box here with Alan Pro. Coming to you live at the Arena Coliseum. Alan, Kiko Matos take the center. Billy Jack going. Hit for that kill, but Kiko Matos had full control. Yeah, he's using his height. For those of you who just tuned in, Billy Jack is ready slam. Wearing white, he just got slammed. Kiko Matos, the actor, is the one wearing the black trunks. Now, Alan, there's been a lot of talk on the internet. Everybody has been buzzing about this fight because of the challenge issue by this guy underneath, Billy Jack.
Viral video from Billy Jack. Honestly, I haven't seen it.
Same.
I haven't seen it, but Kiko Matos is pretty pissed.
That's right.
I had a chance to talk to him.
He wasn't too happy. Yeah, he
Wasn't happy about it.
That's
Now he's dominating Billy Jack.
Oh, wow.
And I can tell you, Kiko Matos is a legit fighter.
That's right. They thought that that fight with Baron Geisler was a fluke. It was for publicity. A lot of things have been said and done, but that is not publicity. That is not a fluke. He is pounding the face of Billy Jack Sanchez right now, Alan.
What you're seeing now, Matos is 100% technique. Swimming out, all that dismount that Billy Jack is doing.
Very comfortable on the mount, Alan.
Very comfortable. And he's very relaxed. Right now,
I thought he
this guy
was
is setting up a
he
he gets the back.
gets the back. Billy Jack turns. He's had enough of those punches to the face.
Kiko Matos in full control. This is full control.
That's the thing. If you don't have formal training,
You
can't just jump in the cage,
can't
bro.
jump in the cage. You can't learn how to fight it.
Yeah, that's right. He's bleeding right now. He has a busted nose already. And Kiko Matos still looking very comfortable at the back.
Very relaxed. Not even breathing heavy.
That's right. That's right. Because this guy already has a fight underneath his belt. He's setting up a choke, Alan.
He's a bit too high. I think he has to put his back, his chest against Billy Jack's back. He's a bit too high.
But
He's not pissed. He's not out.
There you go. A rude awakening for Billy Jack Sanchez.
This is the real world.
The fight world.
The fight world.
That was
Amazing job from Kiko Matos. Very calm, very in control, very technical.
and that's a big difference when it comes to a real fighter than a fighter who fights in the streets. I have all the respect for street fighters. We all came from there. However, this is the next level of fighting, Alan.
This is the professional level.
You just can't come in and think that you can take on an MMA fighter. And he had to learn the hard way.
He had to learn the hard way. Kiko Matos, we're gonna see Kiko Matos in the next few URCGs fighting more experienced opponents.
Here's the highlights, brother. There's
Kiko
the
Matos
slam.
slams Billy Jack. Billy Jack doesn't have any kind of control. Doesn't get underhooked from the half guard. Kiko Matos is just gonna pass to full mount.
Here's the choke. I think that was the first time he got slammed and popped.
Hanggang dito na lang tayo mga idol, at kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito ay baka pwedeng makahingi ng like and subscribe. Pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para palagi kang updated sa mga video na kagaya nito. Maraming salamat!